Let's move this pattern inside the object without moving the object itself. So you're going to take the selection tool and you're going to click on the object that you want to move the pattern around in. If I just move this with the move tool, right, the whole thing is moving. So what I need to do is press the little tilde key. It's like a little accent, and it should be on a Mac. It's up at the very top. It looks like this. So this is really big. Okay, so this key looks like this. It also has the enya. So it has the tilde, the accent, and it also has the enya if you press shift. So I'm looking for this little key. So I'm going to press that key while clicking and dragging. And I'm in the move tool. And I can kind of zoom in, Command or Control plus, so we can really get close. And this way you can kind of move, say you have, you want to have a little more space here. So you can click and drag and you're going to be moving the pattern within that area. So you can kind of move it to the left, click and drag it to the right, and there you go.